Hi friends, welcome. Here we have a nice exponential equation 3 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 11 into 3 to the power x is equal to 4, right? Here we have to solve this exponential equation, right? So let's start. This can be bracket 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 11 into 3 to the power x is equal to 4, right? So 3 into this can be bracket 3 to the power x square, right? Minus 11 into 3 to the power x is equal to 4, right? Because a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Fine. Let y is equal to 3 to the power x. So 3 into 3 to the power x square can be written as y square minus 11 y minus 4 is equal to 0, right? Now 3y square minus 11y can be bracket minus 12y plus y minus 4 is equal to 0, right? So here 3y as common, so y minus 4, right? Now plus 1 as common, so y minus 4 is equal to 0, right? Now we have 3y plus 1, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we have two cases. 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, right? And y minus 4 is equal to 0. Right? So y will be equal to minus 1 by 3. Y, as we have assumed, is equal to 3 to the power x is equal to minus 1 by. This is impossible because 3 to the power x is greater than 0, right? Now we will go with this. Y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4. 3 to the power x is equal to 4. Now if we take log on both the sides, log of 3 to the power x is equal to log of 4, right? So x log of 3 is equal to log of 4, right? So x is equal to log of 4 over log of 3. So x is equal to log of 4 base 3. Change of base rule. Here we have used change of base. Now if we check, right? So here 3 into 3 to the power x as log of 4 base 3 square, right? Minus 11 into 3 to the power x, 3x as log of 4 base 3 is equal to 4, right? So 3 into here is equal to 4 square minus 11 into this is equal to 4 is equal to 4, right? Because a to the power log of b base a is equal to b, right? So a to the power log of b base a, right? So this value will be equal to 4. Now 4 square is 16 minus 44 is equal to 4, right? So 48 minus 44 is equal to 4, right? So 4 is equal to 4, right? Okay friends, thank you.